A milling machine uses a spinning blade to cut material from a workpiece. In the case of this Brainard horizontal mill, the blade is mounted on a horizontal rotating arbor, and the workpiece is held in place by a special rotating device on the work table called an indexing head. This device acts as a guide for rotating the workpiece to precisely the right angle or division. To set the position, the operator pulls back the hand crank to free the locking pin and turns the crank to rotate the workpiece, releasing it to set the pin in the correct slot. The indexing head makes the mill especially useful for cutting gears, as it allows the operator to measure and set the exact angle and distance between the teeth. When the workpiece is set at the proper angle, the feed handle is turned to move the workpiece into the blade. The table itself can also be repositioned by the vertical or cross-traverse handles. This mill also features a built-in storage cabinet to store spare parts and maintenance tools. It was built in Boston by the Brainard Milling Machine Company in 1872 and donated to the museum by the Waltham Bag and Paper Company.